What up, guys? What's going on? So today is Thursday, and guess what? Today we go pick up the block, and I'm super excited to actually get this block because now I can actually start putting everything together into this motor. I think hopefully my welder should be coming this Saturday also to weld up the ear on that and reinforce it. And then my boy Andrew next week should be coming too to help me with the brake tuck, because I don't really know how to do it. I've never done it before, so he's done it on his car, so he should be coming to help me with that. And then the dashboard goes back in, engine bay gets sanded down, or finishes getting sanded down, so I send it off to go get painted. Motor starts getting assembled. Once the car is back from paint, motor's built, put the motor in, and just start putting everything else together. So hopefully things go as planned, but I'm fucking super excited right now to actually be picking up this block. And I know in the last video I said they're going to be taking sleeves from another BCC. I was wrong. They actually put brand new sleeves in the motor and do all of that stuff. So my apologies that I said something that wasn't true. Some better news is I'm actually going to be I actually have 4 brand new sleeves now on the motor. So that's actually great news. So basically 0 miles all around, head, block, everything. So yeah, so now I'm going to be heading to Full Throttle and get this block. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand how excited I am right now. But let's head to Full Throttle and pick up this block. Once we get there, I'll show you guys the block and show you guys exactly everything, how it looks and all that stuff, and then we should be good. And I'm also gonna do like a real in-depth video of the whole build process and what we're going to be doing, components going in. I'm going to do a video with my build spanking when I drop off the motor. So there's a lot of good stuff coming in. Guys, just gotta go put money in the meter, go get this block, baby. Let's do it. Where's my stuff at? I've been waiting for this too long. Just stocked up on everything.
Here we go.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright, this is it. Thank you.
That's
I'm out. Right. Remember this guy's face. This is what he gave me. This is what I paid for. A sticker and 1 piston. Oh man. So this is the clearance of everything right here. I think I'm gonna take it out of the, yeah, thank you. That's exactly what I want to do. I want to take it out of the box too. Ooh, damn. This shit was so dirty too. Them fresh sleeves though. Jeez. Here's going on. Can I get a pepperoni?
Slice?
Yeah, not too hot.
1?
Yeah. Give it a slice real quick. I changed the colors on this camera. The colors are good now. I like it. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up this block. Pick up the block, take it home. I'm probably gonna take it off the saran wrap so you guys can see it. You see those sleeves? Those sleeves are literally super mint. Brand new sleeves. CSS done. Block is completely clean now. I gotta store it away in my house, so I'm gonna probably take the some of the saran wrap off just to be able to see it, and then I'm gonna put it in a garbage bag. That way it's nice and clean, nothing gets in it. We should be good to go. Alright, there she goes. That beautiful CSS. You see those brand new sleeves, baby? Oh yeah. We ready to rock, baby. Block is all clean now. Just gotta paint it. Oh yes. You guys can see. It's looking all nice. You guys remember how dirty the block was? Look how clean it is now. Obviously I'm gonna spray it. So these are the new sleeves. 4 brand new sleeves. So it's more than basically gonna have 0 miles. Cannot wait. Like, I did the jet wash, I did everything. So 4 new sleeves, bore, hone, deck, CSS, and jet wash. This thing is beautiful. Everything came out crispy clean. Ready to go. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. What up, guys? It's the next day. I'm about to go outside and fix up this motor mount. Well, this motor mount bracket. For today, I'm gonna, basically that's the ear. Gotta get welded up, so my welder's coming tomorrow. I already started, you guys see there, it's already metal. Basically gonna just take the paint off of all of this. Probably here and right here, so you can have some spots to weld, because we're gonna try to weld a bracket, maybe from like here to here. I don't know. But he's gonna end up welding both sides and weld something on it to reinforce it. Yeah, it was charging. Alright, so we switched over to the little wire wheel, which is doing a lot better, a lot more work. So I'm just gonna be like taking off the paint off all of this, because I know we're gonna weld the bracket, or like weld we're gonna reinforce it. I know he's gonna weld like around here, probably until here or to here, I'm not sure. So just doing the extra stuff, that way tomorrow we just get to weld and we good. Might just weld up this part here. I'm just taking off like this stuff right here was had a little rust. With the wire wheel, it takes it off right away. But we're gonna continue doing it and see how far we get. Alright, so I'm also doing like little spots where there's some rust at to be able to take it all off, but that's what I've done so far. Tomorrow, if we need to do more, we'll just fix that up. But later on, want to finish in on the bay. These spots will have rust. I'm gonna just like literally use the wire wheel or the little grinder with the sanding blade to remove all those rust spots. Had one here, removed it, so I don't want no rust to come back. And yeah, I mean, done for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna pick up the camera, do another vlog tomorrow, and show you guys like a one-on-one bracket that we're gonna do. Well, like reinforcement bracket we're gonna do here. Hopefully you guys learn from that and don't have the same exact issue as me. Alright, so we're done for today. Did what I wanted to do. Again, all the rust spots, little rust spots, corrosion spots are going to be gone. And tomorrow we're going to be attacking this. And again, if you didn't tune into the other videos and don't know what I'm talking about, EKs have this crack that happens here. And right here, you guys can see, it's like right there. So you can zoom in. Right there also. And we're gonna fix all that up, make a bracket for that, well, like a reinforcing place. So thank you guys again for watching. Please make sure you guys like this video, watch this video. Again, I don't know if a lot of you are not enjoying this content or not seeing the content or getting. Oh, and what?
And click the subscribe button for more videos.
Yeah, and click the subscribe button for more
Videos.
Yep, just like that. Till next time, peace. RB, say build to enjoy.
Please enjoy.
Peace out.